Hello everyone, I'm Andre McClintock, and today I bring you VeChain. I'll be sharing 3 simple things about this cryptocurrency, some market information, where to find the news and important news, and the last thing is a price prediction, guys. Let's begin. We're on CoinMarketCap, like always. We're looking at VeChain, ticker VET, and it's currently at 17 cents, almost 18 cents, number 22 on the list, currently at $11.4 billion. Now, this chart I will be showing you, it is kind of interesting because it has a big fall-off point, but I'll get into a little more detail. But what is VeChain? VeChain is a blockchain-powered supply chain platform. Began in 2015 and launched 2016. VeChain aims to use and distributed governance and Internet of Things (IoT) technology to create ecosystems which solve some of the major problems with supply chain management. So, with this cryptocurrency, if you guys looking at interested in buying or hodling it, we got to see what platforms they're available on. This is the big one. It's in the top 30. This thing has to be on a lot of cryptocurrency platforms. It's on Binance, KuCoin, Huobi. We got Bithumb, Gate.io. So if you guys want this list, once again, I will be posting it below, but it's on major exchanges, so please check that out, guys. Our next thing is where to find. Here's some news I found on it. I didn't go through all the articles, but I did find one that is most relevant and that's new. And this is about VeChain. Oh, let me get rid of this. This is VeChain's new consensus method might have effect on the VET network. So please check that out if you guys want to learn or want to trade or invest in this cryptocurrency. Please check it out. Let's hit their main website. So we're on VeChain.com. So here's their website, guys. Actually looks really, really cool. Need to update mine and look like this a little bit. But here's their main website once again. They're on Reddit too. So if you guys are on the Reddit platform, check it out, guys. And we're on Twitter. They got a huge following, almost 500,000 followers. They post pretty regularly, so check them out. Also follow me, Andre J. McClintock, on Twitter. Talk about political stuff, trading, investing. But let's move on, guys, to that price prediction. So here's that chart I was talking about. So if you first got into it, you can see that it did a massive, from like $1 all the way down here. So this is how I would do it. I wouldn't trade this cryptocurrency just because of that massive down. It seems like that would cause a lot of problems, especially for margin accounts or just any accounts leverage. Ugh. So for me, I would hodl this. And seeing how it is so cheap and has been so volatile, I would have to enter off of this point currently. So the current market price is where I would go. And the next, the only price target I would go to is about 25 cents. And for me, I will be hodling every single point. And I'd use the same analogy on all my videos. I'll use the same one here. If I get paid on Fridays, guys, every single Friday I will be entering in VeChain. And based on that Friday position, I want to do it to remove a lot of my emotions or things that come up. Just get in there every single Friday with non-risk money, not risking my entire retirement account. I'm just going in there every Friday to be consistent. And if I'm doing that with this cryptocurrency, I would be planning certain price targets. Since it has a big down in the recent, since 2019, what I would have done is, if you guys sitting down here, you guys are sitting pretty good. If you entered up down here, you're doing pretty bad overall, but you might be up depending on the weighted amount. But if you guys entered in here, I'm saying if I entered here every single week, every Friday, enter in and keep stacking. And for me, since it's has a good strong history, I would do every 10 cents, take some profits off, take some profits off, take some profits off. If it keeps on going down here, I would just do the same thing. Stake the plan, don't use risk money. But my price prediction, guys, an easy 25 cents. If any questions or comments about that, please drop them below. I'll always comment to it. But let's get to my website. AndreMcClintock.com. I am updating the website. I am having a cryptocurrency with a blog / with an open chat so we can talk about cryptocurrencies. I will be updating and letting you guys know about that soon. Also, if you guys want some news, got it down here, got some cryptocurrency stuff. If you want statistics, check out gold and silver stats. But that's the video, guys. Thank you guys for making it to the end. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.